Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Mazda BT-50 XTR dual cab ute, stock reference number 5339. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 through to the 6th month 2015. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. With the left guard has a small fold on the front edge. Left front door, 3 dents. Left rear door, only 1 dent. Pair of factory tubular-type side steps with all bolts and brackets sold as a pair. Left-hand tail light. Tailgate has multiple small dents. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right-hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right power door mirror, non-power fold type in chrome. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, single stack control panel, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.